In this simple tutorial, beginners can easily learn to make an animated video case step by step. This case tutorial includes 3 parts. Part 1 is watching a case. Part 2 is the simple introduction to enemies. In Part 3, you can learn to make this video case step by step. Let's get started in Part 1, watch a case.
What's the difference between traditional and online shopping? Buying items in stores sometimes is annoying. You have less item choices. The items are expensive and seasonal.
However, online shopping makes it easier for you to buy items from all over the world without the time and space limitation, because the world is a connected one now.
Here is the marketing proportion comparison between them. The survey reveals that more than 80% shoppers tend to shop online nowadays. So how do you want to shop today? Just log one of the online shopping websites to purchase as well for the sake of time.
Then before making video case with enemies, let's learn this software together. Enemies has 3 main interface, including starting, editing and publishing interface. Let's get started with the starting interface. You can select one of the templates here to quickly create a new project. Or you can import your PowerPoint document to create your new project as well. Of course, you can directly click New Empty Project to create your new project. Then you can go to the second main interface, Editing Interface. The editing interface includes 7 parts. In Menu Toolbar, you are able to save your projects, import and export scenes and subtitles, check for software update and the more. Next it is the scene part. Click New Scene button, you can add a new blank scene. Or choose one of the scene templates to add. Meanwhile, you can adjust the scene order. Add background music. Add transition effect and the more. Then in the toolbar, you are able to preview, save and publish your project. In the convenient toolbar, you can align objects, zoom in and zoom out canvas and the like. In canvas area, you are able to scale out the canvas. Adjust the scene screen ratio. Rotate canvas and the more. Then in the element toolbar, you are able to add shapes, images, texts, roles, call-outs, SVGs, sounds, videos, SWFs, symbols, actors, charts, formulas and labels in canvas. Drag and drop the elements to canvas. Then an entrance animation bar and exit animation bar will be added in the timeline. Double-click the animation bar, you can edit the entrance and exit animation effect on your own. Meanwhile, you can add one or more emphasis animation effect between entrance and exit animation effect. When you add more than one object in timeline, you are able to adjust their play order. Drag object entrance animation bar to certain time to control different objects' play order. Besides that, you are able to customize the camera effect, design scene background, add subtitle and recording in timeline, preview the scene, increase or decrease the scene duration, or scale in or out the animation bar in timeline. Finally, click the Publish button. You can go to the publishing interface. 3 ways to publish your project. Choose Publish to Cloud to publish your animated video online. Choose video format to publish your animated video offline. And choose GIF format to save your project as GIF. In part 3, let's start to make this animated video case step by step. It includes 4 steps. Step 1 is to create a new project. Step 2 is to customize scenes one by one. Step 3 is to add background music and scene transition effect. And step 4 is to publish your animated video. Now let's get started with step 1. Create a new project. Click New Empty Project button, then you can go the editing interface and create a new project. Next you are able to customize scenes one by one. Before editing scenes, let's open the project and have a look at this case project together. This case have 5 scenes. Preview scene 1 before we edit it. In scene 1, you need to design a red color background. And then add SWF, shapes, texts, subtitles and recording. Create scene 1. Click background button. And click the green icon to design scene background. Click one of the background color to apply in your scene. Then add SWF. Click SWF button. Choose the dynamic background. Then drag one of the SWF to canvas. You can beautify the scene background in this way. Then you can add shape. Click Shape button. Then choose the circle shape. And add sickle to the canvas. Then customize the sickle properties. Fill the circle with pure white color and white border. Then copy this sickle and paste in the canvas. Here we recommend you to customize object animation effect and play order when you add objects. Drag the animation bar to certain second in timeline to adjust objects play order. Then double-click entrance animation bar to customize object's entrance animation effect. Then you can add object emphasis effect as well. Click the green icon behind the entrance animation bar. Choose the Move Animation effect. Then you can customize the object's location after moving. Drag the object in canvas to adjust its location after moving. You can customize another sickle move animation effect in the same way. Then you can add text. Click Text button. Then click Add Text button and input the text in the canvas. Edit the text properties. Then add another text in the same way. Use the text play order and animation effect in the timeline. Then click Shape button to add line and triangle in canvas. Then click the Text button again to add text. Drag animation bar to adjust object's play order in timeline. Then align all object exit animation bar. And double-click object's exit animation bar to customize object's exit effect. Then emphasis effect on the text. Click the green icon behind entrance animation bar to add. Then drag to align 3 texts emphasis animation bar. Then you finish adding all objects in scene 1. You can decrease the rest 2 seconds in scene duration. Then you can add subtitles in this scene. Click Subtitle button. And click the subtitle green icon in timeline. Choose the font and add subtitles. Then customize the subtitle size, color and the more. Click the Save button to add subtitle. Adjust the subtitle animation bar to make subtitle appear in the scene. Finally, record your voice and add it to this scene. Click Record button. Then click Start Record button. You can record your voice now.
What's the difference between traditional and online shopping?
Click Stop Record button to finish recording. Then adjust recording animation bar to make the subtitle and recording appear at the same time. Now scene 1 has finished. You can start to create scene 2. Preview scene 2 before editing it. Scene 2 has applied a scene template. It also adds an actor, callout, texts, camera effect, subtitle and recording. Let's edit it now. Click New Scene button to add a new scene. Here you can choose a scene template to add a new scene. Then add an actor. Click Actor icon and drag the actor to canvas. Here we need to add Move Emphasis animation effect to this actor. The step is similar to step 1. And then add a camera effect. Click the green icon on the camera track. And then adjust the camera location in canvas. Then add callout. Click callout icon and choose one of the callout to add in canvas. Customize callout's transparency in the right column. Then adjust callout's play order and animation effect in timeline. Then add text. Click Text button again to add text, just as the step 1 does. Adjust the text's play order in timeline as well. Finally, add subtitle and recording in scene 2. Then scene 2 has been finished. You can start to create scene 3. Preview scene 3 before editing it. You need to design a scene background color. Add roll, image, camera, curve, subtitle and recording. Start to create scene 3. Click New Scene to add a new blank scene. Then customize the scene background color. Add roll. Click roll icon. In the pop-up window, you can choose a roll and roll action. You are able to add more than one roll action effects in timeline. Click the green icon in the roll track to add more roll action effects. Then continue to add images. Click Image button. Then click Add Local Image to select image to add in canvas. Adjust the animation play order in timeline. Continue to add other images. Customize the image play order in the timeline as well. Then add one emphasis animation effect to those images. Then add camera effect. Drag the camera animation bar to the certain second you want to add, and customize the camera location in canvas. And then you are able to add shape, namely, the curve. Adjust the curve animation effect and play order in timeline. Finally, add subtitle and recording in this scene. And the scene 3 has been done. Then start to create scene 4, preview it first. Here we skip the same steps in the preview scenes. In scene 4 we mainly show you how to add chart and spotlight effect. Now let's edit it together now. Firstly, add a blank scene. Design background color. Add texts. Add text moving animation effect. Add chart. Click Chart button. Drag one of the chart modes to the canvas. Click Edit Chart button. You can edit the chart data. And then click OK button to save the change. And then add a Move Emphasis animation effect to the chart to zoom out the chart. Then add a camera effect on the chart. Add a spotlight effect to highlight the chart. Click Label button. Choose Spotlight effect to add. Adjust Spotlight area. And finally add subtitle and recording to this scene. And then scene 4 has been done. Create scene 5 now. Preview it first. You need to add text. Add images, curve, subtitle, recording, and then add rotating camera effect. Finally add text. Here we skipped the same steps in previous scenes. In this scene, we mainly show you how to add rotating camera effect. Add rotating camera effect. Click the green icon in the camera track. Zoom out and rotate the camera in canvas. Then the rotating camera effect finishes. After adding texts, the scene 5 has been done. After all scenes are done, you are able to add background music in your video. Click Background Music button. Then choose the background music to open. You are able to adjust the volume. Delete and change the background to music. Then you are able to add scene transition effect as well. Click Add Transition button. Choose one of the transition effects and click OK button to apply. Finally, you are able to publish your animated video. Click Publish button. Here we choose video format to publish video offline. Customize the video properties. And then click the Publish button to publish your animated video. And the case has been done.